Okay, so it was only this side. Did not have to remove that side, so I got lucky on both jobs. This was basically what they call a home run. I started at exactly 7:30. I started taking everything apart, and it's now 9:30. 2 hours, not too bad. Usually these take 5 to 6 hours for both sides. Now, it went down the first time all the way. Let's hopefully see if this goes down to ground level. And there you have it. Another job. Another fine job by Taylor Hydraulics. Louis is the name. Repairing lifts is my game. There you go. Down where she's supposed to be. Beautiful. Okay, video's now out. Thanks for joining me on another repair. It's definitely beer time now.